Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome back to Access Arabic. Today we continue our series in which we are learning how to recite the glorious Quran. We are still on the rules of Mim Sukun. In our previous videos we've covered that whenever a Mim Sukun is followed by a Ba, then we do Ikhfa Shafawi. We will read it with Ghunna for 2 harakat. We've also covered that whenever a Mim Sukun is followed by another Mim, we do Idgham, we merge them together and read with Ghunna for 2 harakat. Today we learn a third rule, is Idhar. If you remember from previous videos of Noon Sukun or Tanween, we've learnt that Idhar just means to make clear, to read it as it is. This is a very simple rule and we will look into it now. Whenever a Mim Sukun is followed by any letter other than a Ba or a Mim, we just read it as it is. We make the Mim clear and read it as it is. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it and have a look. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Today we're going to have a look at these 3 examples. One here, and one here. So hum fiha, hum fiha, hum. We have a Mim Sukun here, so we must look at the next letter. Is it followed by a Ba? Are we going to do Ikhfa Shafawi? No. Is it followed by another Mim? Are we going to do Idgham? No, we're not. So we're just going to read it as it is and make the Mim clear. We're going to do Idhar. So you guessed it, this example will be read as hum fiha. Now we look at the next example. Lakum. Okay, we have Mim Sukun here. So we have a Mim Sukun, so we have to look at the next letter. It's not a Ba, so we won't do Ikhfa Shafawi. It's not a Mim, so we won't do Idgham. That means we must do Idhar. We will just read it clearly as it's written. We will make the Mim clear. Lakum dinukum. Lakum dinukum. Dinukum. Once again, we have a Mim Sukun here. So we look at the next letter. It's not a Ba and it's not a Mim. It's a Waw. So we do Idhar and we make it clear. Lakum dinukum waliyadin. Lakum dinukum waliyadin. In this video we've learnt Idhar Shafawi. We've learnt that whenever a Mim Sukun is followed by any letter other than a Ba or a Mim, we make the Mim clear and we read it as it is. So we've covered the 3 rules of Mim Sukun. We've covered that whenever we read the Quran and we see a Mim Sukun, we must look at the next letter. If the next letter is a Ba, we do Ikhfa Shafawi, which is Ghunna for 2 harakat. If the next letter is a Mim, we do Idgham. We merge the Mim into the Mim and do Ghunna for 2 harakat. If it's any other letter, we do Idhar Shafawi. We read it as it is, we make the Mim clear. And with that, we'll end this lesson, inshallah. I hope you've taken benefit from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share this with your friends and family. Share the gift of learning to read the Quran with them. Inshallah, you will get reward, I will get reward, and they will get reward. Let's all share the rewards together. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.